Finish this.
1 minute.
1 minute.
Completed.
So what is this, sir? 1 by 2k into 40 into.
Pardon?
What is that written in the last before line, sir? 40 into.
10 power minus 2 centimeters.
Yes, sir.
Convert to meters, man. That is in centimeter, no?
Yes, sir.
7 centimeters.
Convert it into meters.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఒక్కోసారి మర్చిపోతే ఇబ్బంది అవుతుంది. అందుకే గుర్తు చేయడం. Completed.
I got 230, sir.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Pardon?
Root 6, sir. Root 6.
You'll get 2.45.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Right. So you'll be getting here VB. Now similarly, you can apply like this also. You can even apply like this also.
Yes,
Because
sir.
all are same now.
Yes, sir.
See, it will be around 2.15. Same thing if you apply. You know how to apply now?
Yes, sir. How to?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. Now, note down, you can complete that later. Take another problem.
Yes, sir.
Sir, for C, we have to take 60 centimeters, sir.
Pardon?
Sir, for C, that spring extension, we have to take 60 minus 10.
Which one, man?
Previous question only, sir. For that C, sir.
You have to find that. You have to find that extension. OC square, you should find OC. OC that new length. Old length is how much? Natural length 10 centimeters. Subtract that.
Yes,
Same way, no? Extension or
yes.
compression of spring, you should know. OC is the new length. Original length is 10 centimeter. Difference itself is the extension or compression, no?
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That means previous one you didn't understand.
Sir, I didn't understand that points. That's all understood, sir.
New length of the spring you find out. Original length is
Yes,
known. See here, note down this.
Yes, sir.
Hello.
yes, sir.
Agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree.
So you can see that this is the well. This is a bucket. What is the mass of the bucket? M.
M. So
Okay.
capital M.
Capital M. Okay. Now you can see that this is the rope. What is the length of the rope? Okay. The rope will have the bucket should be here till here, no? Water should be here to pull the water. Bucket should be inside this. This is height h.
It's
That means this is h by 2. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
sir, it's by actually.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now we can see that work done by all forces equals change in kinetic energy. No?
Yes, sir. Changing kinetic.
This is the meaning of this. No?
Yes, sir.
Now the bucket is initially at rest now. Again when it comes back it will be at rest or not?
Yes, sir. It will be
Hello?
at rest. It will be at rest, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm. So bucket is initially at rest. And finally also
Rest.
they agree till here. So what is the change in
Yes, sir.
kinetic energy? Zero.
Zero.
Any doubt is there?
No, sir.
What sir?
Now you can see that all forces means what are the forces? Work done by man, any other force? Gravity.
Work done by gravity.
Gravity, then work
So
done by
here
tension.
we can say that work done by man, tension does zero work.
Ah, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Equals change in kinetic energy. No? Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Now, what is the work done by man means it is nothing. Gravity is nothing but minus delta U of gravitational potential energy, no?
Yes, sir. Gravity
Yes,
is
sir.
the
Conservative force, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Conservative.
sir.
This is nothing but zero. Kinetic energy is zero, no? This is
Yes, sir.
final potential energy minus initial. Agreed? Now, if this is downwards now, what do you have? mg, how much is that? H. Do you agree with this? Minus h. Plus, for rope, we should take the center of mass. Remember?
Yes, sir. Minus h by 2. So, mg into minus h.
Do you agree with this?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
Sir, did we take
No
this
doubt, sir.
minus h cube to putting down, sir? Means we are putting the bucket.
Pardon? Pardon?
We took this minus h because we are putting this bucket downward now, sir. That's
No, no,
why.
no. Always we take, see, this is the origin. Downwards, negative, upward, positive. That is what we used to do. Remember this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Remember.
And then,
Yes, sir. Just explain. That's why I asked once more time.
oh, this is the initial one, no? Sorry.
Yes, yes, sir.
Finally, it is here on the surface. So finally, there is no height, no?
Oh, no, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Will be on the surface.
Initially, it has potential energy.
GH into M plus N by 2, sir.
Pardon?
GH into 2M plus N by 2, sir. Yes. 2M plus N by 2.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute, sir.
Take it, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
See, in your recent weekend exam, you have that blocks are arranged one over the other. What is the work done to arrange them? Something I asked, remember?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Completed.
Remember that question?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
20 blocks are there with the
See,
diamond.
there are several blocks like this, n blocks or something.
20, 20. 20 blocks and with the 10 centimeter dimensions.
So, let's say, for example, n blocks are there.
Yes, sir.
Say the height of this is each block. Now you can see a mass is m.
Yes, sir.
Now I told you now what is the potential energy. If you take this as the reference from ground, what is the initial potential energy? mg h by 2 if you take upward is positive now. How many blocks are there?
In
N blocks. Now you are arranging one over the other. Now how many blocks are there?
N blocks.
These are NH now totally.
And
Okay. So what is the mass of the total system? N into M now. Where is the center will be there? G NH by 2. Remember this?
remember, sir, remember.
Mass into gravity. Understood this or not?
Understood, sir.
Clear? Now you can see work done by all forces equals change in kinetic energy. Here one person is arranging, the other one is gravity. The blocks are initially at rest, finally also at rest. So work done by man, this is nothing but minus delta U of, because followed this or not?
Followed.
Yes, sir.
Understood? See, work done by gravity, a conservative force, equals minus of change in gravitational potential energy, no? That means
Yes, sir.
final gravitational potential energy minus initial gravitational potential energy. Understood till here?
Yes, sir. Understood.
So now you can substitute this final and initial, you'll get that answer. That is what I asked for. You felt this very difficult, no? Hopeless
Yes,
fellows.
sir. Yes, sir.
What is the difficulty you have in this?
Sir, seeing this
That's
question
why
is
attend classes, man. Each one feels he's a king. Hmm? Finish this.
Sir, 1 minute.
Tell.
Sir, I was telling just 1 minute for writing this.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
What are you asking?
No, sir, I asked for 1 minute, sir.
Minute. Okay.
Yes.
I thought there is some doubt here.
No, sir.
This is your examination question, no?
Yes, sir,
Yes, sir.
examination was there.
Sir?
See, if you attend the AIMS class, you'll learn more knowledge because these are the basic questions I'll cover there. For you, I teach the questions relevant to IIT mains, this advanced and all. Most of the mains questions will be covered in the AIMS here. I think some people are attending, they'll be knowing. The
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
problems which I deal in the morning class will be different from that of your afternoon.
Yes, sir. Different, sir.
Sir?
Now tell,
In the examination, there was one question, sir. I got a different answer and some boys got different answers, sir.
you
But I
got,
don't know. There was a question there now, sir. That chain, sir. Chain one question.
what is that question? How do I know? I just
Think I
recollected
will.
it, Shada. Shall I turn this?
1 minute,
Hello.
sir. I will send in the doubts group that question, sir. I just want to know which answer is correct, sir, in that one.
You want me to do that, all.
I sent one question in the doubts group, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Completed, sir.
Next. See, this is also yesterday, I think recently I've done this. See, this
Sir,
is
recently
the
we did it.
table. This is L, no?
Yes, sir. Total chain length is capital L.
Okay. Now the same chain falls like this. This is the initial position, final position. Now we will take as this as the reference level. Okay.
Yes, sir.
What is the initial potential energy?
MGL by 2.
Because not MgL by 2. Hopelessly.
Yes, sir. It's minus L by 2. MGL minus
No,
MGL by 2.
no. M is how much? Let lambda be mass per unit length.
ML by capital L.
That means here the mass of the system here is for this mass what you have.
Lambda G minus L.
Okay. For the table mass, it will be 0. Why? Because reference is this only, no?
Yes.
The remaining will be, I'm just explaining this. G, height is 0, no? This is for the portion on table. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Height is 0. Reference
This
level.
is a hanging part.
Yes, sir.
First take the, you can fix the reference level anywhere. This is UF. We should take lambda L G. I told you, no, you should take center of mass. Now, what is that equal to?
Minus L.
Now you can see initial equals final. Initially, what is this you have?
Minus lambda L square G.
Yes, sir.
It is at rest. Finally, lambda L G minus L by 2 plus
One by
half.
two.
The total mass of the chain is how much? Lambda L, no? V square.
Yes, sir.
Find out V. Understood this or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Yes, sir. Understood.
See how much you are getting? Fast. Is it difficult, hopeless fellow? What is this doubt?
No, sir. Not difficult, sir. I just got confused which answer is correct. I got another answer and you both got another. Sir, V is under root L square minus L square by LC. Under root G into L square minus L square by L. Completed, sir.
Completed.
Yes, sir. Completed.
Right. Shall I turn this? Got the answer?
Yes, sir.
Same answer you people got?
Yes, sir.
So when I start work for energy for aims, I'll discuss all these problems.
Yes, sir.
That's why I told attend that class also.
Yes, sir.
Take another problem. Note on this. Visible?
Yes, sir.
This is small m, this is capital M.
Yes, sir.
Here, look at this. This is small m, this is capital M. 37 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Small m, this is capital M. Completed?
Yes, sir. Also doing completed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Again the same story, conservation only, no?
yes, sir.
Friction is there, no?
Yes, there, sir. Mu equal to 3 by 4.
Hmm. See here, what is asking?
Sir, minimum
Minimum value of capital M, sir.
See, actually, the blocks will start to move up when the spring is at a compression, complete extension, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We need to complete extension.
Because it cannot extend further, it will pull the object connected to it. That is the concept here, no? Am I right or not? Clear?
Yes, clear, sir.
Now, when xm is maximum extension, you can see falls by how much?
Yes,
Agreed.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Like this, you should prepare an analysis. Then your subject will improve. Any doubt is that till here?
No, sir.
Not also. Clear.
So here, what is the loss here you are having? mg.
Mg minus
To
x.
XM.
See, that minus indicates loss only. Loss I am saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It is potential energy is what you said is correct. Okay. When you say loss,
We will not take minus.
understood this or not?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You explained it, sir.
See, loss means minus of delta E is called loss. So here mg minus xm, initially there is no extension. So what you have here? Okay,
Yes, sir.
half k xm square now here. Remember potential
Yes,
energy.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Any doubt is that till here?
No doubt, sir. Clear.
Now you can see that What are the forces? This block is there. This is mg sine 37.
Friction downward.
The block has a tendency to move down. Friction is upward, no?
But here the block is going to move the upward the plane, no, sir. So friction will act the
No, no.
block
Right now, what does the block tends to?
move
It
down.
is tending to move up. Spring force will try to pull it up.
Yes,
If
sir.
now only it is having a tendency to move up, why do you need a spring force, man?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Understood this or not?
Yes, sir.
See here, do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
This is a stage motion impede. He said motion. Block should just move, no? That is the question now he has asked. Read the question.
Yes, sir.
Mu is given.
Given.
He is asking, like, see. Understood the method? Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir.
I advise all to attend even evening classes. It will improve a lot.
Sir, I'm getting
Completed?
zero, sir.
Zero.
Yes,
How,
sir.
man?
Sir,
No, no,
divide
you
by
won't get. Hello?
sir, if we cancel out, we will get zero only, sir. MG, sir, that MG sine 37 and friction will get cancelled out, sir.
You're getting MS zero, huh?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir.
Then let us see this way. Because what is the question? Read that. 1 second.
A block of mass m is attached to a string
Okay,
of
okay, okay.
constant k.
So this is the verge of motion, no? Right, right. Correct only. Motion impends this way. Right. So friction should be this way. Now you try. Correct only. He says up the plane, no?
Yes, sir.
He gave in the question. This is by question he gave this. Therefore friction
So 3m by 5.
how much you got?
3m by 5.
Pardon?
3m by 5.
Root. Why root
No,
is
sir.
coming?
3m by 5. 3m by 5.
Mm-hmm. There is no acceleration, no? Clear?
Yes, sir. Got it. Completed, sir.
Hello?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Shall I go ahead next one?
Yes, sir.
See, those who did not complete, just take a screenshot of this. 1 second, please.
Yes.
Completed, sir.
Followed?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Also.
See, whenever usually they ask work done like that. For example, this rod is there, rod of length. It is brought to the next position. Okay, it is
Yes,
pulled
sir.
like this. Okay, Understood this? Now
Understood.
find the work done. Now who does work?
Person, whoever moves the
Agency means some person or something. He will ask. Now we don't know what is the force applied by person, whether it is a machine, nothing, no information about the agency is known. In that case, the best thing is we'll use work done by all forces equals change in kinetic energy. Here, who are the people? The person, the other one is gravity. Do you agree? Any other person is there?
nothing is there.
Now, this is the person plus this is mg is downward. See, the center of mass is supposed to be here, has gone here. That means it moves like this. Followed? Now this is L by 2, no? So what is this distance? Can you tell? L by 2 cos theta, no? That means this is the height, no? What is height actually?
L minus L by 2 cos theta. L by 2 minus L by 2 cos theta.
Do you agree with till here?
Agree, sir. Agree.
Yes, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Understood, sir.
The height is upward, so positive only, no? Initially it is at rest, finally it is at rest. So work done by person is equal to 1 second, 1 second. I'll write here. See here, work done by gravity is nothing but change in potential energy, minus change in potential energy, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
UF minus UA.
So initially I'll take this as a reference. See, first of all, we should choose the reference. Hello, followed. Anywhere I can choose. I'll take a convenient one. Finally, you have mg upward. Initially, it is zero, no? Because there is no height, no?
Yes, sir.
So this is minus mg h by 2. Therefore, work done by person plus work done by gravity, final minus initial. Person, we don't know. We have to find that. This is minus of, understood this?
Yes, sir.
Where there is no information of the force exerted by any person or agency, just go for this. Work done by conservation force is nothing but minus of delta U. Understood this?
Yes, sir.
I strongly advise to attend that AIMS class. You will have different concepts of medical laws
Yes,
and
sir.
of mains level. All these problems will teach there. Because in advance we don't require all this. They won't ask this type. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Last week I asked problems on this. Remember, find the work done by the agency.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes.
Shall I turn this?
1 minute. Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
Followed?
Yes,
Followed.
sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Now sometimes he'll be asking, all these are very simple ones only. This is a vertical, he will say that this is theta 1. He'll say find work done.
Yes, sir.
Understood this? Now this goes like this now. Followed? Hello?
Sir, followed.
Followed, sir.
So now you can see that this height is h1 and what is this height mean? h2. Understood this? So
Yes, sir.
work done by person or agency, work done by gravity, change in kinetic energy. What is the work done by gravity minus change in potential energy? This is final minus initial. So this is minus, what is the final one you have? mg h2. Initially mg h1. Do you agree with this? Therefore, work done by person, finally it is at rest, initially it will be at rest now. Do you agree with this?
Yes,
Understood this?
sir.
So this is mg.
One doubt, sir. Here, which is the reference level, sir?
Pardon?
Sir, which part we took as reference, sir?
You know, here this is the reference as before only. Initial position.
Okay.
As before, you
Yes,
can
sir.
fix here. If you want, you try from here, you'll get the same answer.
Yes, sir. Clear.
H1 is how much man already you got? Followed this or not? Hello.
Followed.
Understood this?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Completed?
A minute, sir.
Completed?
So 1 minute, sir. So 1 minute, please.
Okay, then I think it's time for you, no? 10:13 almost.
Yes,
Right, complete this and go then. Tomorrow we will continue. Okay. My personal advice is attend the AIMS class also.
yes,
Clear?
yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Right then. Take care. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.